Good morning, children. Today we discuss the continue part of the lesson, the ashes that made trees bloom. So the old man heard the news of the death of the pet dog, so he went near the pine tree and laid a beautiful flowers, then cup of water and tray of variety of food on the grave of the dog, and then he burned a costly incense sticks also. So on that night the spirit of the dog was appeared in the dream of the old man. So the dog said to him, cut down the pine tree on over the dog's grave and make a bowls for rice pastry and make a wooden mill for your bean sauce. So I read the next part. So the old man chopped down the tree and cut out of the middle of the trunk a section about 2 feet long with great labor, partly by fire, partly by the chisel. He scraped out a hollow place as big as small bowl. He then made a long handled hammer of wood such as is used for pounding rice. When New Year's time drew near, he wished to make some rice pastry. When the rice was all boiled, Granny put it into the mortar. The old man lifted his hammer to pound the mass into the dug, and the blows fell heavy and fast till the pastry was all ready for baking. Suddenly the whole mass turned into a heap of gold coins. When the old woman took the hand mill and filling it with beans began to grind, the gold dropped like rain. So meanwhile the envious neighbor peeped in at the window when the boiled beans were being ground. Good day me, cried the old hag as she saw each dropping of sauce turning into yellow gold until in a few minutes the tub under the mill was full of a shining mass of gold. So the old couple were rich again. The next day, the stingy and wicked neighbor came and borrowed the mortar and magic mill. They filled one with boiled rice and the other with beans. Then the old man began to pound and the woman to grind. But at the first blow and turn, the pastry and sauce turned into a full mass of worms. Still more angry at this, they chopped the mill into pieces to use as firewood. So, children, the old man chopped the tree, means cut the tree and cut of the middle of the trunk of the tree. So, by the labors, with the help of the labors, he scraped out a hollow place as big and small bowls. Then he made a long hammer of wood from that pine tree, so that the hammer is used for grinding the rice. It is used for mill. So on the New Year time, the old man wished to make some rice pastry. So all the rice was boiled. Then old lady put the rice into the mortar, means the man here mortal means bowl. So the old lady put the rice into the bowl made from that pine tree, and then the old man lifted his hammer to grinding the mass of food into the so the grinding sound was feel heavy and fast. So now they were grinding the rice, so it sound is heavy and full fast. So suddenly the whole rice mass turned into heap of gold coins. So they prepared rice pastry, but suddenly the rice pastry was turning into gold coins. So the old woman took the hand mill and began to grind. So all of the gold was dropped like rain. So the old lady was took the hammer to pound the mass. Then the all gold was dropped like a rain. So after some time the jealous neighbor peeped in at the window. So here peeped means look at the window. So when the boiled beans were being ground. So the greedy woman saw all each dropping of sauce turning into yellow gold. Within a few minutes, the tub under the mill was full of shining gold. So she cried with a joy. So here the jealous old lady was saw all the rice and bean sauce turning into gold, and then within a few minutes the tub was filled with a full of gold. So she was cried, and then she was also enjoyed. So now the old couple were rich again. So on the next day, the wicked couple, means the misery couple, come to the old man house and borrowed the bowl and magic mill. So they borrow the magic mill and bowl from the old couple's house. So next day they filled with boiled rice and other with beans. So the wicked old man began to pound, means crushing, and the woman began to grind the rice pastry. So at the blow, they turn all the rice pastry turn into worms. So they were burnt in a worms. So now they were very angry because they were not able to get the gold coins from that rice pastry, so from that bowl also. So they chopped the mill into the pieces to use as firewood. So with the angry, they were chopped the wooden mill or hammer into the piece, and then so they cut out all the wooden mill. So it is used as a firewood on the next. So this is the day of your lesson, children. Will continue in the next part. So this is your homework. So for question number 1, why did the neighbors kill the dog? So you have to search the answer in your textbook. Next, mark the right item. The old farmer and his wife loved the dog. A, because it helped them in their day-to-day work as if it was their own baby, as they were kind to all living beings. Next, when the old couple became rich, they gave the dog better food, invited their greedy neighbors to a feast, lived comfortably, and were generous towards their poor neighbors. Next, the greedy couple borrowed the mill and the mortar to make rice pastry and bean sauce, magic cash to win reward, a pile of gold. So you have to write correct answer for these questions in your homework book. Thank you, children.